Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Bits Bank. Today we would like to discuss biology MCQs asked in SSC CHSL previous year exams. This is part 4 of our video series. Hope you have watched part 1, 2, 3 and the link has been provided in the description box. And also friends, you can find PDF link as well in the description box so that you can download all the questions which we are going to discuss in this session. And friends, you can join us on Telegram as well by searching the name Exam Bits Bank. And friends, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel for more updates. And now moving on to MCQs. Here's the question number 1. Dash is a leaf where the leaflets are arranged along the middle vein. The options are pinnately compound leaf, palmately compound leaf or simple leaf. The correct answer for this question is option A, pinnately compound leaf. So pinnately compound leaves have their leaflets arranged along the middle vein. And coming to palmately compound leaf, they radiate outwards from the end of the petiole, a point to be noted. Moving on to next question. The primary function of RNA is, the options are photosynthesis, protein synthesis, replication or translation. Correct answer for this question is option B, protein synthesis. So the main function of RNA is nothing but it carries information of amino acid sequence from the genes to where proteins are assembled on ribosomes in the cytoplasm. Moving on to next question. Which drug is used for pain relief? The options are risdonate, tramadol, folic acid or bupropion. And the correct answer is option B, tramadol. So tramadol is used for pain relief and also it is used to treat chronic pain after combining it with paracetamol. And however, it has few side effects like drowsiness, physical dependence and itchiness, etc. Moving on to next question. Lungs are the primary organs of, the options are digestion, constipation, perspiration or respiration. And the correct answer for this question is option D, respiration. So lungs are the primary organs of respiration and lungs are nothing but they are a pair of spongy air-filled organ located on either side of the chest. Moving on to next question. Spiders belong to which class of animals? The options are arachnids, aves, gastropods or anthozoa. The correct answer for this question is option A, arachnids. So spider belong to arachnids class of animals and nothing but they are venomous air-breathing arthropods. And also arachnids are a class of joint-legged invertebrate animals with 8 legs. A point to be noted. Moving on to next question. Which drug is used as anti-inflammatory? The options are metformin, diazepam, latanoprost or prednisone. The correct answer for this question is option D, prednisone. So prednisone is used as an anti-inflammatory drug. Moving on to next question. Which of these is not a macronutrient for plants? The options are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, chlorine. And the correct answer for this question is option D, chlorine. So chlorine is not a macronutrient for plants and basically micronutrients are essential for plant growth and play an important role in the crop cultivation as well. And here are the few important macronutrients. They are nothing but sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus and sulfur. Few points to be noted. Moving on to next question. The largest gland of the human body is, the options are pancreas, thyroid, large intestine or liver. The correct answer for this question is option D, liver. So liver is the largest gland in the human body and it is also the largest organ in our body and can weigh up to 1.5 kg for a human adult. A point to be noted. Moving on to next question. Photosynthesis in plants takes place in. The options are stem, leaves, roots or flower. The correct answer is option B, leaves. So the leaves of a plant contain a pigment called chlorophyll which provides green color to its leaves, and chlorophyll can make food that plant can use from carbon dioxide, water, nutrients and energy from sunlight. This process is called as photosynthesis. So photosynthesis in plants takes place in leaves. Moving on to next question. Which one of the following is an insectivorous plant? The options are Utricularia, Sequoia gigantea, nostoc or Bryophyta. The correct answer for this question is option A, Utricularia. So insectivorous plants are nothing but they are specialized in trapping insects and they are also known as carnivorous plant. Moving on to next question. Mendel is known as, the options are father of physiology, geology, genetics or father of biology. The correct answer for this question is option C, father of genetics. Mendel is known as father of genetics. Moving on to next question. Pulses are a rich source of which of the following? The options are carbohydrates, proteins, minerals or vitamin. The correct answer for this question is option B. So pulses are rich source of proteins and they are the edible seeds of the plants, and basically pulses are annual crops mainly grown in dry region. Few examples are here: grams, peas, beans, etc. are the examples of pulses. Few points to be noted. Moving on to next question. Which of the following is the largest known cell? The options are eukaryotic cell, prokaryotic cell, mycoplasma or ostrich eggs. The correct answer for this question is option D, ostrich eggs. So ostrich egg is the largest known cell, and before fertilization it consists of a single cell weighing up to 5 pounds and is the largest single cell. And one more point to be noted here is cells are nothing but they are the building blocks of life and the smallest unit. Moving on to next question. A living part of the organism's environment is known as. The options are abiotic factor, habitat, biotic factor or non-living. The correct answer for this question is option C, biotic factor. So the parts of an ecosystem that are alive and affect the population of other organisms in the environment are called biotic factors. Moving on to next question. Brain fever is a disease spread through which of the following? The options are flies, mosquito, virus or cockroach. The correct answer for this question is option B, mosquito. So brain fever is a disease spread through mosquito. So that's it friends from part 4 of the video. Thank you for watching and please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you receive a notification when we post a new video. And also friends, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. It's Exam Bits Bank. However, the link has been provided in the description box below. You can click on that link and join for more PDFs and more precise information. Thank you.